H. Letter E. Letter W. Matthew. Yay! Very good. Drawing ka ng araw. 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 Drawing ka ng lizard. 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 Drawing ka ng frog. Oh, frog, frog, frog. What is the frog? Oh. Now, draw ka ng fish. Fish. Wow, very good. Very good. Thank you for watching.